Good morning, everyone, and welcome back to Motosoul. Hope you guys are doing well. And this is my Interceptor 650. And this video is about the luggage and how I mounted all the luggage bags here. So this is the Viaterra Mini Claw, and this video is not sponsored, but this Viaterra bags are amazing. I mean, they are very easy to mount and unmount. This is the Claw Mini. This is the Carbonado hydration bag, and this is the Viaterra 12-liter pod, the smaller version, and this is the bigger version, that is 22 liters. And I've mounted that on the Grand Pit Stop rear luggage carrier. This is a rear luggage rack, and I also have the touring seat on. This is the Deluxe Touring Seat. So on the Claw Mini I have the hydration bag mounted with the straps. Straps are built in the Mini Claw. So this is the hydration bag. I use this for carrying camera gear. This is the Mini Claw. You also get a claw that is bigger in size, but I think even the Mini Claw is very big. And this is mounted on 3 straps. This is the first one mounted here. This is the other strap, and there is one more strap that goes in from here onto that side. This is very easy to mount and unmount, and you can also mount this on this side. It has holes for the strap to pass through, and in this I carry my drone. I have my toolkit, tripod, and chain loop and other stuff here. Clothes, camera gear, everything is inside this. So this is fairly a very good solution for mounting easy luggage. I mean, mounting and unmounting is a pain, especially when you are riding 2 or 3 days and you want to mount and unmount luggage on the go. So this is a very good option. I got the Mini Claw for 3,900 rupees. This is for somewhere around 22 or 2,500 rupees, the bigger version. The smaller version is 1,700, 1,800 rupees. I'll have the links to all these bags in the description. And I've researched a bit. This is actually the cheapest tail bag of this size that you could get. So I recently got this. I've been using this, as you can see from the wear and tear. This is the Viaterra logo. It has faded quite a bit if you compare it with the newer one. This is how it's mounted. This is the strap, and this comes off right here. This is the newer version, the newer bag that I got, and you can see the logo has faded on this one. I've used it quite a bit. And also all these 3 bags are waterproof. The hydration bag is not waterproof, it's water resistant, but you have these straps so you can mount anything. I mean, you can also put your riding jacket here and strap this, and this is fairly easy. I mean, it's very easy to mount and unmount. It's just on the go, very easy, and it doesn't move an inch after mounting. I've done a short ride, and so far it's been amazing. That's a beautiful bike there. So this video is just about my luggage system and how I mounted it and how I use the luggage on the go. I use this small bag for mostly my short rides, but I've shifted that to the bigger one. I carry drone inside this, only drone. So this is mounted on the bigger pack. And that's about it for this video. And let me know in the comment section below if you want more videos like this. Thank you and have a good day. Ride hard, ride safe. Bye bye.